Hey guys, Clay here at Havoc Off-Road. We've got JCR's Crusader mid-width front bumper for your JK, and we're going to show you how to install this on your Jeep. So let's get started. To install your factory fog lights on any of the JCR bumpers that have the recessed fog lamp brackets, there's going to be 4 Phillips head screws that you can remove from your factory bumper. And then I've got a 9/32 drill bit, and I'm going to drill out these plastic holes. Now JCR includes a shoulder nut, so you've got quite a large area there that you can drill out to make things fit properly. I've test fit this on our bumper, and I know that I need to drill these holes out, and then I'm going to walk them down a little bit and elongate the hole to get this to fit in the right place of the bumper. Now once you get your fog lights drilled out, you're going to want to try to make an adjustment to these before you install these in the bumper, because you can't really get to that adjustment screw once it's installed. Now make sure you use blue Loctite on all these connections on the whole bumper. That way none of these nuts will vibrate loose. Now the hardware kit includes this bracket and a 14mm bolt. This is going to slip down into your Jeep's frame. And then once we put the bumper on the front of the Jeep, this bolt is going to fasten through this bracket, through a piece of the frame, and then snug down with this knurled threaded fitting. Now to install JCR's vacuum pump relocation bracket, we need to remove these 2 10mm bolts. Now with the pump removed, we can install the bracket. We've got the bolt provided with the hardware kit. It's going to be bolt, washer, frame, bracket, washer, nut. And there's already a hole in the frame from the factory. Now this is an 18mm nut and a 17mm on the bolt head. We'll go ahead and tighten that down. Now JCR includes 2 bolts. If you want, you can drill out your factory bolt, but I'm going to go ahead and just reuse this long bolt from the factory and leave in the metal washer. We'll install that back, and then we'll go ahead and install JCR's provided bolt, washers, and locking nut on the other side. Now you're going to need to remove this metal piece on this side, so just put the bolt in there and pull that out. And that's what that washer is for. Put the pump in the right location. You don't want to crush this rubber isolator, just make sure everything's snug down. Now this is way easier with a friend, but we're just going to put the front bumper over the horns on the frame. And then once we get the bolts all lined up, make sure everything gets pushed back snug on the frame. Install your 14mm bolt right into that bracket. The hardware kit comes with 8 of these locking flange nuts. We're just going to put those on the 4 bolts on the passenger and the driver's side of the bumper, and then we'll tighten those down with an 11/16 socket. Now we'll go back and tighten this 14mm bolt, and our bumper is installed. The installation is that easy, guys. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit us at havocoffroad.com. Thanks.